Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making two healthy breads. That's beetroot and spinach. Kontomire and beetroot brodo. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Thank you. For the bread, Tieni, my friends who are but nanya juice no timbabe squeezy. Into wait to me a juice with no, and I say obania. Nane blender na easier. And now be great. Okay, the juice nini. And I near kind nini. Near me here we need to nay no one to go. Wait to me their frow smoothies. And I would the yogurt cry wait to be a gusso. Okay, it's a match me not make a guha. And I'm a flan so sunny. Timmy she flan. A 6 cups. Okay, here 6 cups all-purpose flour. Now made it salt, kakra, egum. I fade it. Me wo ginger powder. Then saying, sugar. No, so yeah, 1/4 cup. Can you afra? Chino especially. And some of the use negum. So never and touch it. Salt on it. Okay, change the yeast negum. Use a 2. Okay, into 7 grams. Yeah, me using, but any 1 tablespoon. Into 2 tablespoons, and I made the 2 of the 7 grams. Okay. Okay, to me butter and melted one, 1/2 cup. And also cool. Okay, into me the lime kakra egum because of beetroot na me using senya beya color no ebe stay. See. Okay, then. Okay, the beetroot. And I made the egg. See, best start sun and kakra. Okay, it's I come up. It's the end of Nini. I found Nanda Kakra. Which one any? Oh, I would like to find. Bam. Baby, chimney being. Yeah, well, for top of the new year, a machine FM. Not action. Chance no, back was the same back. Ain't me jemu have pepe, mema back was a sing back. Okay. You might Harry Kakra, I sing. Hey. Okay. It is a woody machine now. Wait me use rolling pin. Now they roll near the same. Okay. Beautiful bread. Okay, I have never called silver pan. fill. I cut us and I say a nice clean towel. Now they are a warm place. They say, you know, up a warm, I want them. Cut on home, no, you're warm, no, under. It is a never manner rising. Okay, until your spinach bread. Okay, second bread and your yeast 1 tablespoon, 7 grams. Your salt, your vanilla, your baking powder, your spinach, your butter, your butter no so yeah. 1/4 cup sugar 1/4 cup my nutmeg make sure gum the dough. I have my nutmeg here and I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and also tin ya bashisha so tin me esamno me the flour no egu mu ha baking powder may use 1 teaspoon bam my sugar me the mesiku egum and I mention it and also my 1/2 teaspoon. Okay this is a naka nyamana from the me yeast egum. You add your yeast, you're gonna mix it together. Now I'm mixing it now. Come on, mix it together. Then you add your na favorite the whole butter. Egg. Add your butter. And then you add your spinach a little bit. Let's see how it's gonna be. Then you add your vanilla extract, just a little bit. Okay, give me the spinach and yeah, can you? Okay, until I come on. Okay, today fine. Okay, into the same way now. Made it clean film. I made that to look. I'll rest it. Okay. It is the same process now. Made the year back on beetroot then, and see. Mary and around. Yep. See, my greasy me or panning. Okay. Then here the atom. Now I cut so you cover it with clean fit. Just the same process. Okay, it's my cut so that major of space nika kasa nebe to a space I breathe. You until you train now double on the size. Embroidered a two, and you need to come up. Yeah, we young overnight ready, and I embroidered no so to find. This is a record oven. Okay. Into young in contemporary brodun, I am ready. The also made the butter cracker. Spinach bread. You now me say heat no butter ne kana. So who style no. Brodun if you phone in Ghana did. Yay. Brodun be near the butter film. Nani guzi ya. Hey, how you mama? See, I'm brodun ye no ne. Ye brodun. Any so shy come. Nini abako ni ena ni sister ni. Inti sese. Come on. Yeah. See green one offending. Contour bread. You bet the other bread. Bro. And your cake. Ow, 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 bites. Shall they fair? And your cake away, bro. Oh, beautiful. And you try nice when you so there. Here is the bread. Beautiful. Okay.